If you see carefully, this is a quadratic equation. If you see carefully, this is a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation, when it will be greater than 0? Quadratic equation, when it will be greater than 0, always greater than 0. For all real values of x, this expression is greater than 0. So only two conditions we have. Only two conditions we have. What is the first condition? First condition is a should be greater than 0 and d should be less than 0. Okay, so a should be greater than 0 and d less than 0. Already here a is 1. A is 1, so that 1 is greater than 0. Already that condition is satisfied. So d should be less than 0. D of this quadratic equation, discriminant of this quadratic equation should be less than 0. Discriminant of this quadratic equation should be less than 0. So what is the discriminant of this equation? Discriminant of this equation is b square. B square means this whole square, minus 2 whole square, which is 4, as well as 3k minus 1 whole square. Okay, so 4 times of 3k minus 1 whole square, this is b square minus 4 times of b square minus 4 ac. A value is 1, c value is 8k square minus 7. So d is less than 0. This is b square minus 4ac. So here minus 2 whole square, which is 4, 3k minus 1 whole square minus 4 ac, b square minus 4 ac is less than 0. So 4 we can move to the right side of inequality. So what will remain in left side? Here 9k square will remain. 9k square minus 6k. 9k square minus 6k plus 1 minus 8k square minus into minus plus 7 is less than 0. So 9k square minus 8 square k square is k square minus 6k. 7 plus 1 is 8 less than 0. Okay, less than 0. So k square minus 6k plus 8. What are the roots here? How to factorize middle term? K square minus 2k minus 4k. We can split middle term like minus 2k and minus 4k should be less than 0. So k minus 2, k of k minus 2 and minus 4 of k minus 2, which is k minus 4. So k minus 2 into k minus 4 less than 0. What is the solution for this k minus 2 into k minus 4 less than 0? By using the wavy curve method, we have already seen a lot of questions. So 2 is one root and 4 is one root. 2 is one root and 4 is one root. Here plus, here minus, and here plus. So less than 0 interval is from 2 to 4. And now what is the interval between 2 to 4? What is the integer between 2 to 4? Question is the integer value k, the integer k for which this expression is always greater than 0. What is the integer between 2 and 4? Integer between 2 and 4 is 3. Yes, obviously integer between 2 and 4 is 3. So k should be equals to 3. So this is answer for this question. This is answer for this question, and this is 2021 mains PYQ. So this is the 2021 PYQ. Okay. So this is the 2021 mains PYQ. The integer k which is satisfying this equation is 3. So shall we see one more question?